In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch tasks while tracking time in Hubstaff. Whether you're using Hubstaff for personal productivity or managing a team, mastering how to switch tasks efficiently can significantly enhance your time management skills. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have the Hubstaff app open. Depending on your preference, you can access Hubstaff through the desktop application, mobile app, or web timer. Each platform has a similar interface, so feel free to choose the one that's most convenient for you. The flexibility of Hubstaff allows you to work seamlessly across devices, making it easier to track your time no matter where you are. Once you have Hubstaff open, check if the timer is currently running. This is crucial because Hubstaff records time for one task at a time. If time tracking is active, you'll need to stop the current task. Simply click on the stop button. It might feel like an extra step, but doing this ensures that your time logs are accurate and reflect the exact task you're working on. It's worth noting that keeping a clean and precise task log helps when you're analyzing productivity later on. After you've stopped the current timer, it's time to move on to your new task. Start by selecting the project that contains the task you want to focus on. Projects in Hubstaff act as the umbrella under which all related tasks reside. Selecting the correct project helps keep your work organized, ensuring that all your track time is attributed to the right area of your work or business. Now, look for the new task in the task list of your chosen project. Hubstaff makes navigating through your task list straightforward, but if you find yourself managing numerous tasks, using descriptive task names can save you time in the long run. Simply click on the task you intend to switch to, ensuring it's highlighted or checked, indicating it's selected. Moving on, it's time to start the timer for this new task. Look for the Start button, often presented as a play button next to your chosen task. Clicking on this button sets the timer rolling, effectively beginning your work on the new task. And that's it. You're now tracking your time against this new task in Hubstaff. Switching tasks in Hubstaff is a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how effectively you manage your time. Remembering to stop one task before starting another can help maintain clarity in your work logs. Over time, you will likely find that this method enhances both your productivity and your understanding of where your time is best spent. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking.